Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can add contact information in your Wix website. Okay, so let's begin. So place your cursor at the left side of the screen right here. So you can see here add section. Click it, and there you go. So you can see from this bar contact. Click it, and you will have some of the options. Uh, So what I commonly see on other websites is like this. So let's try to use this one. Okay, upon clicking that, it will be added to your website. And contact information um, is commonly seen on the header part, oh no, footer part of the page. So let's do that. So you can just click and press the left button of your mouse and click it until the very bottom of the page, which is the footer. So if you see the attached to footer message, you can drop it down. Okay, and it's already on the footer part of your website. So can you edit those information right here, this text? Yes, you can. You just click that and click edit. Edit. Okay, you can also set social links for that. You can add your Facebook account, um, Twitter, Instagram, okay, LinkedIn, okay, and also the information right here are editable. Okay, so that is how you're going to add contact information in your Wix website. So if you do like this video, click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.